এটাকে চেপে ধরো, এটার মধ্যে চাপ, আগে চাপো তারপর ওটা নিলে, আগে এটা চাপো, হ্যাঁ
দেবো।
টানো তো। করো।
রক্ত লেগে যাচ্ছে হাতে সব জায়গায়।
বন্ধ করে দাও। Now we have this RBC diluting fluid and blood, and it has mixed well and it has been kept for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we have to charge this in the Neubers chamber. So Neubers chamber we have already focused at low power. Now we will take it out. We will put a cover slip. The cover slips are of various types. You can see it will cover the whole graduated area. You can see the lower portion is covered. Now we have to charge it. Before charging, first please notice we have taken blood up to 0.5, then we have taken the fluid up to 101. So in this portion there is no mixing. That's why we will discard 2 to 3 drops. We will discard 2 to 3 drops to ensure that only the fluid from the bulb is coming. Now in the bulb the volume was 100 and 0.5 was our blood. So in 100 volume 0.5 blood has been mixed, so the dilution is 200 times, 100 by 0.5. Now we will charge it. For charging, you have to hold it in a pen holding manner, and then you have to make a very small volume so that only this part is covered with the blood and the fluid. It will not go in the gutter, or it will not overflow in the opposite side of the gutter. Only this portion will have the fluid. So this is the proper charging. It should not be undercharged, it should not be overcharged. After charging, you wait for 1 minute to settle down of the fluid, and then you focus it under low power very carefully. Now we have to focus it Now we have to focus it again after charging under low power. So these are not the target. This is WBC. This is the RBC where we can see the 3 line. Under low power, you can see there is no dart, only the cells are there. So then for the counting, you have to focus it under high power, means 40x. So now we are focusing it under high power. You have to adjust the condenser and light. ওখানে দেখবে তো আসছে কিনা। So now you can see each box which you can count. So one by one, each box, this is one, you go up to the left, this is another box, then you have to go down, this is the last corner box, this is the fourth corner box, and this is the middle one. So here you have to count the cells and you have to write in your observation sheet.